Greetings, my fellow investigators. My name's Christopher Bohse, and I'm a CCAI CFI, here to invite you to CCAI's 70th year anniversary celebration and conference. At this year's conference will be taking place on October 21st through the 24th at the Embassy Suites Hotel in San Louis Obispo. The time to register is running short, so register today and book your rooms because this one's definitely gonna sell out. In the last video, I asked you to save the date because I knew that there was going to be some very special training in the upcoming seminar. So now I get to reveal the first of 3 training tracks that we'll be putting on for you and your teams. The first track in our training seminar will focus on world-renowned expert Mike Bryant's interview and interrogation techniques. This class will cover some of these innovative techniques and protocols coupled with extensive interviewing and behavioral analysis taught by one of the most uniquely qualified professional experts in the world. Increase your investigators' deception detection, information gathering, and persuasive abilities to help you extract the information that you need to get to the bottom of your case. It's time to fan the flames of this investigation so we can torch through the lies and find the truth.
I want the truth! You can't handle the truth!
Sorry about that. I couldn't help it. Look, if you're anything like me, then this training is worth its weight in gold. I had the pleasure of taking a class taught by Mike, and I gained so much more confidence in my ability to extract more accurate information than before that it's made my job a lot easier. This wasn't my strong suit, and even if you feel that you are strong in this area, believe me, he can make you even stronger. And on a personal note, you're never going to meet a greater gentleman who wants nothing but to contribute to a measurable increase in your skills. Do yourself a favor and make your job easier by taking his training. You won't regret it. To sign up for the conference, you can register today and online by logging into arson.org, or you can call the CCAI office during business hours at the number below. That's 909-865-5004. Well, that's all the time we have for this video, but stay tuned for the next one coming soon, where I will reveal the training that we have in store for you for Track 2. So, until next time, investigators, remember, keep digging, stay safe.